Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Market equilibrium for beans is shifting fast because of income changes and new technology. First, identify that beans are an inferior good here. Since consumer incomes are rising, the demand for these beans will actually decrease, shifting the entire demand curve to the left. Next, we look at the supply side of the market. A technological advancement in harvesting means production becomes more efficient, which shifts the supply curve to the right very clearly. Finally, combine these movements on your graph. A leftward demand shift and a rightward supply shift lead us directly to the new equilibrium. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs. Trust the given info and check your steps carefully.